Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelechi Franklin, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a free app in which you can use to automate your messages on WhatsApp. Yes, for those of you who are business individual who are looking for a way in order for you to reply as many messages as you want, instead of you reply one particular message over and over again. But with this app I'm going to be sharing with you, I'll be able to show you how you can be able to use it to automate your messages and get the best result and have more time for yourself to do other things in your business. Yes, last year I made a video on how you can use an autoresponder, in which right now that particular app is being paid for. So I'm going to be sharing with you a new app in which you can be able to use to automate your messages and get the best result you are looking for. So before we go straight to that, please, if it's your first time to join me on this channel, my name is Kelechi Franklin. All I just need you to do is to click on the subscribe button and the notification button as well. And don't forget to give this video a like so that YouTube will always notify you whenever I drop informative and educative content like this. All I do on this channel is to share tips and tricks, strategies on how you can be able to make money online. Once they work, I share them with you, and you also do the same and get the same results. So without wasting much time, let's dive to my phone screen. So guys, welcome back to my screen, and the very first thing you need to do is to go to Play Store. Go to Play Store. Once you go to Play Store, search for autoresponder and auto reply for all apps, or for all app media, as you can see here on the screen. All you just need to do is to download, and once you download it, the next thing you need to do is to open it and then set the notification that will appear on your phone. So I'm allowing you to open, and as you can see here, they said allow the terms and conditions. I'll click on OK, and then I agree, and I'll click on I agree, and then it will not ask you to allow the device. So I'll allow the device, and as you can see, give permission for notification, and all I have to do right now is to allow the notification button by clicking on it. Then I'll notify it, allow it, and then I'm good to go. All I have to do now is to go back to the app again. Sorry for the ad. Okay, so once I'm done with this, I'll click on OK, and then I'll proceed. Now the very first thing you need to do right now is to delete all of these messages here. So delete all of them in order for you to set your auto respond. Now once you've done that, the very next thing you need to do is to come to this downside, click on this add to create a message in which you want to automate. So once you have come to this aspect, the very first thing you need to do is to come to this aspect where you need to select app. Sorry for that. You need to come to this aspect where you need to select the app. Now right here, once you click on it, you will see different apps in which you can be able to automate your auto response, both Instagram Messenger, WhatsApp, normal WhatsApp business, WhatsApp GB WhatsApp, and many others. So all you just need to do is to come to this aspect and then click on the one you want. So I will click on my business WhatsApp. I'll click business WhatsApp. Then once I click on it, I will now continue. I'll click on continue. Then as you can see right here, this particular one is here. That means I have selected it to be the app that I want my auto response. You can select whichever app in which you want. Now the very next thing you need to do is to, what is that frequent message you normally receive on your phone each day or each time. In order for you to make it easier, all you just need to do is to come here and type the message. Let me say that the message you normally receive is hello, how are you doing. Let me say that this is the message you normally receive every time, frequently. So once you receive this message, you can type it here, or you normally receive this message, all you just need to do is to type it here. Then you come to this aspect here and decide to select, is it all the exact matching which you are seeing here, or you want the exact particular match. Let the individuals write a particular message, let it be exactly like this, and your auto responder will reply to the person. Or let it be that the message contain a word in this particular place, your auto responder will reply. Or it can be a message that starts with this particular word in which you have written here, your auto responder will reply. So all I normally do is to put it on exact match, so that you can be able to reply exactly what the individual is coming for.
Now down here you have to now reply. What is the message you want your autoresponder to reply? Let me say that I will now say okay. Let me say I'm okay and you. I'm okay, I'm fine. Okay, let me do I'm okay, I'm fine. Okay, I will use I'm okay, I'm fine, and then I will now say, so how is your day going? So I will leave the message like this as a reply to the individual, and then I continue. Then looking at all these aspects, leave every setting that you see here the way you see it. Then when it comes to delay in seconds, you can just leave it exactly as 0 seconds so that it will always reply your message effectively and faster. Then when you come down here, you will see where they say reply rule, leave it at 1. Then it will ask you pause rule for contact. It doesn't matter. All you just need to do is to leave this particular area at 0. So let it be like that. Then once you are done with all of these things, all you just need to do is to click on done. You click on done, and as you can see, this will have a lot of advice. As you can see, it said message rule saved successfully. So all I have to do right now is to test run this particular stuff. I have to test run it. Let me just test run it and see. Okay, so let me say that I type that particular message. Let me type that particular message. Sorry. Let me say that I type that particular message. Hello, how are you doing? So once I tap on, as you can see here, the autoresponder has replied. This is the testing aspect. So let me test run this on my WhatsApp directly and see how it goes. Let me go to my WhatsApp and then test run it directly and see whether it will reply. So I'm going to type the message right here to confirm that it's working on my WhatsApp. So I leave it, then I'm allowing it to deliver. As you can see here, it's still moving. It has not received. It's still moving. Let me allow it, and it has ticked that the person has received the message, or my contact has received the message. So I'm waiting for the autoresponder. Now as you can see guys, it has replied the message effectively. This is it. I'm okay, I'm fine. So how are you doing? So this is it guys. You can do this as many message or as many autoresponder you want to do on your. Just follow the same process by coming here to add, and then you will see that you get the same result that you are looking for. So in order for you not to stress yourself or losing your sales, all you just need to do is to use your autoresponder and make sure you set it in such a way that I did right here, and you also get the same result. So all you just need to do is to know the frequent message in which individuals send to you on your phone, and then set it and automate it, and you'll get the result that you are looking for. So if you are running a Facebook lead generator ad, you can set an autoresponder and save yourself all the stress, instead of you coming to reply every message all the time, or one particular message all the time, and all of that. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to give this video a like, and do well to subscribe and turn on the notification button as well, so that YouTube will always notify you whenever I drop educative and informative content like this. See you on my next video. Peace.